Hello students, welcome back to your English online class. Today we are going to start a new lesson and the name of the lesson is the North Wind and the Sun. Lesson number 9, number 1, getting ready. What kind of days are shown in the picture? Label correctly using a phrases given in the box. So you can see in the pictures and you can see pictures in the book and you have to write that what kind of days are shown in the picture. Okay, label correctly using the phrases given in the box. So you have to look those picture and you have to write what type of day is given there, like a rainy day, a cold day, a hot day, a windy day. You have to do this. Okay. Once an old man was going up a mountain. It was a cold day. He had a shawl around his shoulder. So once an old man was going up a mountain. Once a time the old man was going up a mountain. It was a cold day. That day is cold day. Okay. He had a shawl around his shoulder. That day is cold day, so he has a shawl. Shawl means a cloth to cover your body. Okay, cover your body, not cover your body when he will feel cold. That time we can use that shawl. Okay, in his shoulder. The north wind and the sun watched him as he climbed. So that old man climbing up in the mountain, that the north wind and the sun is watching him. Okay, sun was watching him. The north wind was very strong and proud. The north wind is very strong and proud. Okay, proud means someone who thinks he is better than others. Proud. Sometimes maybe you also feel that I am the only one who is handsome, who is great, who is intelligent. Okay, like that only. The north wind, the north wind feels that he is very strong and proud. Okay. He said to Son that I can remove the shawl from the old man's shoulder in no time. So he said that north wind said to Son that I can remove the shawl from the old man's shoulder in no time. So he is the north wind is, because he is wind, so that wind can come and remove that old man's shawl from his shoulder in no time, is not even in a single minute. Okay, without taking a minute, without taking a time, he can remove a shawl of the old man from his shoulder. The Son said, "No, you cannot." The Son said to north wind, the Son said to north wind that, "No, you cannot. But I can do it because I am stronger than you." The Son said, "I know you can't do that. But I can do because I am stronger than you." The north wind said, "No, I am stronger than you." Then again north wind said that, No, I am stronger than you." So they started to argue with each other. They argued for a long time. Argue means discussed in an angry way. Then they agreed to test who was stronger. First the north wind blew. He blew and blew. The old man wrapped his shawl tightly around himself. So they argued for a long time. Argued means you can see in the book the meaning of argue, discuss in an angry way. Then they finally agreed to test that who was stronger. First time the north wind blew and blew. The old man, he tried to remove that old man's shawl from his shoulder, but old man wrapped means covered. Okay, that old man covered his shawl tightly around himself. The wind blew harder. That north wind blew harder in order to remove his shawl. Okay, the old man began to shiver. Shiver means shake. When you feel too much cold, that time you will start shiver. Okay, he wrapped his shawl still more tightly. So the north wind blew harder. The old man felt cold, but also he wrapped his his shawl more tightly. Okay, more tightly. Then the sun came out. The cold air became warm. Then is sun turned. Then the sun came out. The cold air became warm. The old man stopped shivering. When the sun came out, the cold air became warm, and then old man stopped shivering. He said, "No." He said, he did not remove his shawl. When suns come out, but also he did not remove his shawl. But he held his slate lightly now. Less lightly now. So he before when wind is blowing, that time he wrapped his shawl tightly, but now he held his shawl less tightly. Okay. Soon the sun shone brighter and brighter. Soon the sun shone means shine brighter and brighter. The old man began sweat. When sun shone brighter and brighter, the old man feel hot, and he began to sweat. Sweat means feel wet all over because of heat. Okay, so when sun shone brighter and brighter, the old man began to feel hot, and he was sweating. Okay, he removed finally that when old man felt hot, and when he was sweating, he removed his shawl. The sun said, "The north wind, you are strong, but you are a bully." Bully means someone who frightens weaker people. Okay, bully is not a good thing. Don't bully someone. Bully is a thing when you bully means who frightens weaker people. When maybe some of you also try to frightens smaller ones and younger ones. So don't try to bully someone. Okay. So the sun said to the wind, "You are stronger, but you are a bully. It is prettier to win over people gently." So gently means kindly in a friendly way. It is better to win. It is better to. You are stronger, but you are a bully. the sun said to the north wind that you are stronger but you are a bully. You are stronger but you frightens the people. But instead of frightens other, it is better to win someone. It is better to win. It's better to win over people gently. Gently means friendly, kindly. Okay, if you talk to someone kindly, they will talk you kindly only. But when you talk with someone harshly, they will talk also with us harshly. Like example, if you wish them softly like good morning, they will also say good morning. If you say someone like good morning, they will also say reply you back good morning. So be gentle, be kind, be friendly with people. Okay, don't be harsh, don't bully others. Don't be harsh don't be harsh to people. Be gentle, be kind, be friendly. Okay, from this chapter you came to know that how much you are stronger, but being gentle is a good thing. Okay, so I will send you all those homework through WhatsApp. Okay, you have to copy those homework in your notebook. Okay, and here is the